Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is microeconomics. Micro is a Greek word which means small. Microeconomics is a study of specific economic unit, particular firms, particular households, individual prices, wages, incomes, individual industries, particular commodities. Microeconomic theory or price theory is thus the study of individual parts of economy. It is economic theory in a microscope. For instance, in microeconomic analysis, we study the demand of an individual consumer for a good, and from there we go to drive the market demand for a good. Similarly, in microeconomic theory, we study the behavior of individual firms in the fixation of price and output. In the words of Leftwich, microeconomic theory or price theory deals with the economic behavior of individual decision-making units such as consumers, resource owners, business firms, as well as individuals who are too small to have impact on national economy. Microeconomics and allocation of resource. The microeconomic theory takes the total quantity of resources as given. It seeks to explain how they are allocated to the production of goods. The allocation of resources to the production of goods depends upon the price of various goods and the prices of factors of production. Microeconomics analyzes how the relative prices of goods and factors are determined. Thus, the theory of product pricing and the theory of factor pricing like rent, wages, interest, and profit fall within the domain of microeconomics. Microeconomics and economic efficiency. The microeconomic theory seeks to explain whether the problems of scarcity and the allocation of resources so determined are efficient. Economic efficiency involves number 1 efficiency in consumption, number 2 efficiency in production and distribution, number 3 overall economic efficiency. Microeconomic theory spells out the conditions of efficiency. These conditions can be greatest help in raising the standard of living of the people. Importance of microeconomics. Before Keynesian revolution, the body of economics mainly considered to microeconomics. The classical economics as well as the new classical economics belonged to the domain of microeconomics. The importance and the use of microeconomics in brief are as under. Number 1, helpful in understanding the working of free market economy. The microeconomics helps us to understand the working of free market economy. It tells us as to how the prices of products and the factors of production are determined. It throws light as to how the goods and the services produced and distributed among the various people for consumption through market mechanism. Point number 2 is helps in knowing the conditions of efficiency. Microeconomics helps in explaining the conditions of efficiency in consumption, production, and in distribution of the rewards of the factors of production. It highlights the factors which are responsible for the departure from achieving the optimum efficiency. It suggests policies also which help in the promotion of economic efficiency of the people. Point number 3 is working of the economy without central control. The microeconomics reveals how a free enterprise economy functions without any central control. Point number 4 is study of welfare economy. Microeconomics involves the study of welfare economics. Limitations of microeconomics. Microeconomics, despite its many advantages, is not free from limitations. They are in brief. Number 1, assumption of full employment in the economy, which is unrealistic. Number 2, assumption of laissez-faire policy, which is no longer in the practice. in any country of the world. Number 3, it studies part of the economy and not the whole. Summing up, microeconomics is the study of decisions of people and businesses and the interaction of those decisions in the market. It analyzes the trees of the economy as distinct from the forest. It is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.